Make your own dynamic picture book. Take 2 squares and fold them into 16 little squares. Cut one big piece into half to make 2 pieces which are 4 by 2. Next, cut the other piece too, but only 3 parts, not fully. Now apply glue to the marked squares. Fold one 4 by 2 piece and shut its doors and stick it. Afterwards, cut the paper fully. Apply glue again. Fold the second 4 by 2 piece, shut its doors and stick it too. Your dynamic picture book is ready for play. Keep rotating and turning it. Keep rotating and turning it. Write numbers from 1 to 14. Think of a story. Draw pictures on all 14 pages. And now you have your dynamic picture book ready. How beautiful!